how to allow or block alarm or notification sounds in calls on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, open up the phone application. Then we go to the top and tap on the More button. Next, from the pop-up menu, tap on Settings. Then in Call Settings, we scroll down and tap on Call Alert and Ringtone. In here, we go down and tap on Allow Alarm or Notification Sounds in Calls. Tap on the toggle button to turn it on or switch it off. And that's it. So if you turn it on during your phone call or conversation, if there are alarm or notifications, it will raise a sound. And finally, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.